Hello, welcome to Kaş, Turkey. Today we are going to visit the sunken city of Kekova, and in total of 5 different sites we are going to visit. Lots of swimming and visiting the archaeological sites. And my name is Ergun. I'm the captain of the day, and I wish you a nice and a pleasant day.
Today I'm with a couple of new friends. We're just kind of sailing. We got the front seat, so that's kind of fun. I'm not really sure what to expect. I haven't really gone on a boating trip like this before. Meet new people, explore, jump in the water, see some cool stuff. We went for a walk at the top. We both almost fell. When you go higher, like it gets really tipsy. You almost fell into people. Super beautiful up here though. Oh my God. I don't know how long it is to the first stop, but I could do this all day.
Welcome to İnönü Bay, our first swim stop for 45 minutes, and it's going to be a perfect day.
And Captain Ergun is going to do a backflip off the front of the boat for us, yeah?
Of course. Somersault,
Yeah.
triple even.
Oh my God.
Cheers. Happy days. So we just stopped for a few moments, and at the back of the boat everybody was jumping in and swimming. The temperature of the water, so refreshing. You're kind of sweating here quite a bit, and jumping in feels really, really nice. If you don't have goggles, they have goggles in here that you can buy and use. Tons of drinks. Everything is like super convenient here.
So welcome to Aquarium Bay. Its name's Aquarium Bay because of the color of the sea, the turquoise color of the sea, and we are in between the two islands right now. As you can see, the color of turquoise around here. Actually, it gets its name because it's in Turkey, and it gets its name because of this color called turquoise. And there is an old lady who is on her 82, and she's rowing, and she is actually visiting around and selling some herbs which she collects from the mountains over here. That building over there is a watchtower. It's actually for detecting the boats which is approaching to this area. It was about 2000 years ago during the time of Lycians, and they are actually detecting the enemy boats, and they sending a signal to the main town of Kaleköy by flames, and they inform that the enemies are approaching to this area. Also, there is another building down there below the olive trees, and this building has built for Saint Nicholas, and it used to be a church.
Thank you. This is cool. Where did you find this?
Nerede bulduk balık?
Adrasan, Antalya.
Adrasan, Antalya.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Derindeydi.
Not good for me, but
Yeah, it's okay. This is good. Thank you, thank you.
So you're going to jump in. Are you going to flip?
ha atlayabiliyor mu diyor. Flap atlayabiliyor.
Yes.
There's an old lady here rowing her boat. Every day she comes out here and tries to sell her herbs. It looks like tea, mountain tea. When I was in Albania, they had the same thing, Greece, the same thing, just not the lady with the boat. The man stopped me and gave me this. He said that when he was in a different place, he said he found it because they're of the Muslim faith. They don't have a lot of use for it, so they wanted to give it to someone who wasn't Muslim.
So this is our lunch. We have the sea bream, pasta, yellow rice, potato salad, normal salad, and carrot dish, as well as some courgettes.
Amazing. Lunch is served. I think a lot of us got fish. There was a chicken and beef, I think, was an option. I got fish, boneless fish, so I'm excited. Such a beautiful place. Oh my God, I'm hungry. So right now we're passing an area called the Sunken City. So apparently there are remnants of things left over on the mountain that was made a long time ago. What is the age of the Sunken City? Do you have any idea?
Yes. The age of the sunken city goes back about 2,500 years ago.
1,500 years.
2,500 years ago, and there has been a very big earthquake. And because of the earthquake, this island, actually it was the part of the mainland on the left-hand side, and it has been separated from the mainland, and that's why most of the part of the city went under the water.
Wow.
And there has been a very big earthquake.
Must have been a hell of an
Yes,
earthquake.
Exactly.
Oh my
and the
God.
whole area was completed and surrounded by water.
Wow.
You can see a cross sign, and this used to be a church in the past which is built for Saint Nicholas, the Father Christmas, the Santa. So he's not from the North Pole, he's originally from this area, and he born in Patara on 270 and he passed away on 343 in Demre.
Well, that was fun. We kind of just came from over there. Now we stopped for a moment. We are on our way to a castle. I don't know the name, but I know someone who does know.
So this town is called Simena. So this is the Simena town, and we're at the Simena castle now. Only access to here is by
By a
boat.
boat? Wow, okay.
If there is a kid here, they need to go to their school by their boats.
No shit.
There's actually like villagers living here,
Yeah.
approximately like 150 people living on this peninsula. And if they need anything to go to market or to go to school,
God.
they need to take their boats.
Take a boat.
And this town is famous for its homemade ice cream.
Homemade ice cream.
Homemade ice cream.
We might have to check that out.
Hello.
Captain Ergen said that this place is famous for ice cream, homemade ice cream. So we might have to stop and grab some of that to see what that tastes like.
Definitely.
I don't know what
I was
flavors
thinking
that.
if that's the same one that the people like playing with you, playing around before they give you the ice cream. Like they do a trick.
Oh, like I've seen that. I know what you're talking about. Yeah, yeah. I've only been here for like 5 or 6 days, so I'm still learning about Turkey. We're on our way to the top of the castle. We don't have much time. We have like 45 minutes before the boat leaves. There's a lot of different shops. They're selling a lot of stuff from tea and shirts and clothes, and I don't know, it's kind of a nice little walk.
Seriously huge shells. Look at the size of these things.
This is huge. I have no idea what this is, but it's big. What's inside? Nothing. Maybe it held water. Who knows?
That's really lovely. Oh, yeah. Thank you so much.
Oh my god, that is homemade ice cream. That is really, really, really good. We're gonna go to the castle, come down, stop here, and like eat everything. It's thicker and creamier than any ice cream I think I've ever had in my life. You can almost chew it. That's unique.
This one's very nutty and lovely. This one looks really dark. Might be berry, passion fruit, but really good. Very thick.
Well, the good news is we'll get a workout. We need to burn calories before we go up so we can justify the ice cream on the way down, I think.
I think so.
Something like that.
It's crazy.
So a couple of people in our crew stayed behind. They didn't come. They should have came. What do you think? Was it a good view? Was it worth running up here?
Definitely worth the run up here.
The view?
Absolutely amazing.
I can't describe it to you in a video, but my God, if you come to this place on a boat, get off the boat and see it from above, because photos and words can't describe. It's really just something else here.
This is the local, the vanilla, the dondurma. So when you get the dondurma and the lemon together, I like the dondurma. It's like good vanilla.
Which one is your favorite?
I like, yes. This,
Oh,
this,
that honey
this,
almond's good.
Yes.
A piece of honey almond?
Yeah, honey almond cone.
Cup is good. So a little honey almond and a little...
Peach. Yes, my friend. Best ice cream here. Homemade ice cream. I make every day, every morning.
Awesome. So we stopped for a moment. There's like 100 ice cream shops. They all want you to go inside. This is honey almond, I think, and this is peach, I think. Oh yeah?
So you have 100 followers
Oh yeah.
and you make yourself videos.
So YouTuber meet YouTuber.
Yeah, come over and have ice cream with me.
Oh,
TikTok.
he's advanced now.
I'm a YouTuber, you're a TikToker.
You're old school, man.
I am behind.
TikTok.
Wow. Do you speak any English or no? You're gonna have to translate. You have TikTok, yeah?
Evet. Yes.
Show me your TikTok,
Evet. Yes.
and then maybe other people will see your TikTok. Where are you from? Here? Turkey? You're Turkish.
Yeah, we
Okay. What do you got? Let's see. This is YouTube. I don't
Baba,
know. It's very slow.
No Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi. Do you know his name of his TikTok channel?
No, he's in YouTube.
Oh, you're on YouTube. What is your YouTube channel? This kid makes his own YouTube content. In case you want to follow this channel, you got to type that in. It's not in English, so you're going to have a little bit of a challenge finding it. What is your name?
My name.
Your name is Oza.
Osam.
Oza.
So say it all together. My
Yeah.
name is Osa.
My name is Oza.
My name is Osam.
Yeah, this kid. Perfect. Very good. Can you fist bump? Boom.
This man is showing me how he makes his ice cream. Oh, we're gonna be late for the boat, but we're gonna run.
Here's my friend. Here's the milk here, my friend. Goat's milk here, milk here.
Goat's milk.
Milk, normal milk, goat's milk, yes. Peach and here, melon, and then ice cream here. Over here, chocolate. Peach is melon. Here, all here. I make here. Here. Machine, yeah.
Very good.
Yes.
Amazing. Oh my god, I set my alarm to get back to the boat and I think I'm gonna be late. I gotta run. Oh, they're waiting for me. That was nice. He kind of showed me how the ice cream is made, how he starts with goat's milk and he boils it for a while, then he cools it down and mixes it with all of his fruit and chocolate or whatever he does, and then he uses the machine to blend it together, I guess. It's very cool.
Right now we are at the Shipyard Bay. This is the only bay in Kekovo area where you can swim around the sunken ruins.
Are you gonna jump in?
I'm not sure yet.
And you may have some ruins around here, and these are again from the Lycian and from the Roman time. Also there's a church on the shore. They used to build and they used to do the maintenance of the ships in this bay. That's why it's called Shipyard Bay.
So there might be some stuff under the water.
Exactly, there are some ruins, and the part of the buildings, if you swim towards that way, towards the shore, you will be able to see some of the ancient ruins from the Lycian and from the Roman time. Also there is another building up at the hill, and that's called Dionysus Temple. So this is where they used to produce wine, kind of like a pub.
Okay.
So where all the seamen, they come together and they have their chat
Nice
and
little party.
enjoy their drinks.
Very good.
Yeah. We all good?
Yeah, how is it? Perfect.
Just watch out for that shark though.
Yeah, man.
We just arrived to the final spot here. Yeah. So everybody's gonna like dive in really quick. And what is the name of this place?
This bay is called Pine Bay.
Pine
And
Bay.
because of the pine trees around here, it's called Pine Bay. And this is the last stop of the day. So we're gonna spend here around another 40 minutes for our swim break.
So this is the last chance that we're gonna get to see Mr. Ergen dive in, but I don't know if he's gonna go in. I don't think so. I don't think I can convince him. Awesome. So, we are almost home, and for the first time, I got a beer. I got Bomonti, and it also became really bumpy a second ago. Anyway, cheers. Have a good taste.
Very nice to meet you.
Görüşürüz.
Nice to meet you.
Captain Ergen.
Thank you for today.
Thank you very much.
It was fun. We went swimming, we seen some sights, we ate some food, we drank some beer.
So if you want to join us, you are more than welcome to find us. And this is an experience for 21 years, and we've been making it better and better every day. You can visit our office located right in the center of Kaş, opposite to the mosque. You can come and join our tours and be our guests. You come
Totally.
as a customer and you live as a friend.
I will say it was very simple. We did nothing. They did everything. Relax, enjoy. Perfectly simple. It was amazing. So thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Oh my God. Everybody's gonna leave me. We just finished up this journey. What was your favorite part of the day?
Yeah, my favorite part
Oh, yeah,
of the
tell us.
day, I became a grandmother.
That's right. Yeah, she got an email that she became grandmother for the third time. She's grandmother 3 times over today, so congratulations on that. We're actually gonna go to the bar to have a beer and celebrate that, so that's cool. How about you guys?
Well, the whole day was absolutely amazing, but I did love the ice cream the most.
That was good ice cream. If you go on this tour, when you go to that place, try that ice cream. It is so thick and creamy. How about you?
Just the swimming, just being on the boat and just jumping off and enjoying the sun, to be honest with you.
Yep.
Sitting at the front, that was nice just to sit at the front and enjoy the view from the front of the boat.
I think I have 2 also. One is swimming because it's so clear. And number 2, interacting with the locals. There's a couple locals who came up to me from Turkey who wanted to, I don't know, chat. So it was fun. I love interacting with local people and people around the world. It's fun. So it was a cool day. If you're looking for a boat to come on in this town, oh my God, go here. It was perfect. There's not a single complaint about anything. Just a fun day. So thanks to you guys for inviting me. If it wasn't for you who found me in Vietnam on YouTube 4 years ago, you would not have sent me a message. I would not have came here, and I would not have gone on the boat today. Anyway, thank you.
Enjoyed as well.
Yes. Anyway, that's it. Well, thank you all for watching. Remember, your time is running out. Start living. Take care.